Greetings. Yes? It is Eric Previn, a county resident from District 3. And Mayor Antonovich and Mark Ridley Thomas alley-ooped an item a couple weeks ago about the county data center. The county data center, if I'm not mistaken, is going into the 4th district. Someone could correct me if I'm wrong about that. But this is going to be a robust play because, in fact, the money that we're allotting now is just behind another, maybe $250 million. There may be $250 million worth of IT needs that are coming down the pike, if I looked at it correctly in this budget. And what I would just like to make sure is that we have appropriate RFPs for this work and that this work is done in the most transparent way possible. Because I have seen a lot of lobbying activity. I'm not going to pretend that I haven't down here at the Board of Supervisors. And, you know, it is frankly a teeny bit worrisome. This is the CDC, County Data Center, not the CDC Community Development Commission, Mr. Ridley Thomas. But this one is one that you made a big motion about recently. And so I just hope that, we do make the update to the future in a way that is consistent with what the public want. One small detail, we have rolled out our open data program here in the county, even currently. The city has one too called, I think it's called Control Panel. Ours is called Open Data or something. And I went there diligently to try to access how many contracts this county has with AECOM. At the city, I was able to see sort of about $30–40 million worth of stuff. At the county, I couldn't find anything. I said, what do you mean? So I went to the Socrata Network, which is a group that we've spent a couple $300,000 working with to help guys like me who can't figure out make it work. And what they said was, well, unfortunately, the county doesn't look at that level. In other words, you can't find that information by looking at the open data system. So I would ask the Board of Supervisors to simply recalibrate that so that we can see the level where we could, as a resident, Mark Ridley Thomas, say AECOM, search for it, and see we've got, for example, $100 million worth of contracts or $8 million worth of contracts, if that's the truth. But one way or the other, the public has to be able to monitor and scrutinize or there's no point. So thank you.
Dr.